everyone. So this video is a very quick video that teaches you all about how to use a many question sentence. Now, a many question sentence is a fantastic sentence type that can be used in a range of different texts that you're writing to enhance your content. Now, I didn't come up with these are from a guy called Alan Pete, who has created lots and lots of different sentence types. So actually check him out because there are some really great ones there. And if anybody wants any more making, I'm happy to make some, so comment down below. So first thing, what is a many question sentence? Now, it basically is a sentence where you have got round about 3 or 4 questions all pushed together in one sentence, and they normally begin with any of these words that you can see down the side: who, what, where, when, why, how, and what if. And it's basically designed to make your reader think carefully about the content of your writing. So for example, a persuasive text would be something that this would work very well in. However, a main question, which is followed by more questions which are about the same thing. That's really important. They're not just 3 random questions that are glued together. It has one main question which is slightly longer, and then it's backed up by a couple more questions which aim to clarify what it is that you're asking. In it, where is the, see, this is a many question sentence here. It's got 4 questions within it. Where is the treasure? The diamonds, the gold, the rubies. Now, as you can see, it has a main question there. Where is the treasure? It starts with that one. And then the 3 things that you're asking about afterwards all link to the treasure that you're asking about. But they're not individual questions on their own. They wouldn't work if you removed them from the first one. The diamonds, the gold, the rubies make sense when it's attached to our first question. Follow what is essentially is that even though this is one sentence, essentially it's a many question sentence, because the words that follow the question mark and follow what is essentially a full stop, you have got to make sure that they all begin with capital letters. So obviously where begins with a capital because it's the first of the whole sentence, but the diamond, the gold and the rubies, the thes have got to have a capital letter because they follow a question mark. Let's have a look at this one here. So I've got my leading question. What is your favourite sport to play? 2 questions that I have put on the end afterward doesn't work because the 2 questions that I have put on the end afterwards don't link to the original question. What is your favourite sport to play? Pizza, chocolate? They don't work because obviously those 2 things are not sports, so we have to rethink what we would write there. Netball, hockey. So what is your favourite sport to play? And then we followed it with football, netball, hockey. So what those 3 questions do is it kind of gives the person that you've asked the question a couple of options to choose from. They might say neither of those options and choose a different sport, but those 3 questions link to your original one by just asking a little bit more about your question. Sentence. So it's your turn to have a go now. Include them in a piece of writing that you're doing, and if you think they're really good, comment down below so that I can see them. And if you are looking for something to write, we have got a new writing workshop that has come out on Monday, which is writing a film review, which you could actually use one of these sentences in. So it will be copied into the description below, but you should see a little link appear in the top right hand corner of your screen.
This ain't over.